Year 6, how are you? I hope you're all well. Okay, so I'm here to talk to you about this week's learning. This week is International Women's Week. To make history, women needed to be brave, bold and believe in themselves. They lived in times when women weren't expected to have big ideas. They weren't expected to be in charge or have exciting ambitions, but that didn't stop them. Their extraordinary deeds and words didn't just make history, they helped shape the way we live today. So I ask you, Year 6, how will you make history? What exciting ambitions do you have? So this week's learning is all about making history for those women, what they did and how they became famous in their own rights. So for English this week, your writing task is all about myths and legends. I'd like you to open the English writing task document to find all the information you need to complete this week's task. Spag this week. Your focus is passive verbs. There are lots of PowerPoints and worksheets for you to complete in the folder. And spellings this week, your focus is the E sound. That's the double E sound, the double E digraph. For reading, we have put lots of texts about these inspirational great women on the shared drive for you. It will tell you how they made history, but we'd also like you to research other great women who made history and tell us what you have found by emailing us. Remember, we check your emails every single day. For maths this week, we are continuing with fractions. Throughout the week, you will be working on decimal and fraction equivalents, decimal equivalents of fractions, adding and subtracting fractions, and finally you're going to learn how to solve fraction word problems relating to shape, calculating the perimeter and finding missing lengths. There's also lots of links for you to follow with lots of fun activities and worksheets. So enjoy! Okay, for history this week's focus is the Maya civilization. Your challenge this week is to create a Welcome to Maya area tourist information page. Thousands of tourists flock to this area every year to discover who the ancient Mayans were. There's lots of information for you to read, and then we want you to create that Welcome to Maya information tourist page. For science this week, we're continuing with the human circulatory system. Take a look at the links on the website, then your task is to explore the structure and the function of the heart, the human heart, before creating your very own heart sculpture using salt dough. There's lots of links for you to follow and lots of information for you to read. So enjoy creating your heart sculptures. Okay, in art, design and computing this week, hieroglyphic or glyphics are the writing of the ancient Maya civilization. Your task is to use the PowerPoint and reading comprehension to find out more about the ancient Maya writing system. Then complete the activity and create your very own logo graph. Okay, and in PE and PSHE this week, we want you to continue with your daily workouts with Joe Wicks. And for PSHE, we want you to read the transition booklet that's in the Year 6 folder. It has lots of useful information that will help you prepare for secondary school. So have a little read of that. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Remember, Year 6, we love to see your work and we love to hear from you. We check your emails every day. If you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to email us. In the meantime, continue to stay safe and stay alert. Take care of yourselves and your families, and I hope to see you all soon. Take care. Bye.